Hey y'all, welcome back. I am Fashionably Grateful, and today we are transitioning into fall with some dresses from Time and True, or some outfits from Time and True. So let's go into the fitting room and try on some outfits. I will definitely tag every outfit that I try on in the shopping cart on the screen, so make sure you check that out. Also, like my video and follow my channel, or subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any savings or any deals, because I also tell you when the prices go down on a lot of these outfits, especially Walmart, because they go down often. So make sure you're paying attention to your girl. Follow me. So Time and True has a whole lot to their collection. I like this shirt right here because of the bubble sleeves. Y'all know I love me a bubble sleeve, but it's not giving fall. Probably that's why these are back here. I would much rather do it in that color. I think that color is adorable. Yes, I'm loving that. I love the bubble. I wish it was a little bubble. Well, no, maybe not. I think that's good enough. I like that. We got lots of cute little cardigans. I'm feeling them. Y'all know what cardigans is giving me, that urban revival feeling. Oh, but hold up. Because I'm digging this. I haven't had a corduroy skirt. You know, I used to wear corduroy shorts in the 90s. I haven't had that in a minute. And this color right here, this color combination put together, this is definitely giving like my Bluebell bag. So why not? These are cute too. I like all these tops. Oh, I love this. I wish they had this in my size though. I mean, I see they do got it in my size in black, but I'm so tired of black, but I guess. Oh, I like these burgundy pants with the brown. That would be perfect. They got, cargo pants too. I like the green ones, y'all. I'm gonna olive green myself out. Like, oh, wait. Okay. Look at this burgundy skirt. This is really cute too. That would be so dope with that. Man, I need that. I want that. Like, I gotta have that. But yeah, I like all these. These are so cute. I'm gonna try these burgundy skirts on. I'll just pray they got it in my size, baby. Yes, they do. Let's go. And it is a perfect fit. I love it, guys. I done bought in a purse and some shoes this time for you, so you don't have to worry about seeing the Crocs, okay? But this burgundy skirt is dope, y'all. It's by Time and True. It has that small slit in the front. Well, it's not real small. It's up there a little bit. But this is a cute outfit. A nice outfit to transition from summer to fall. Now, I don't know how fall does you where you're at. I'm originally from Kansas City, and it can get pretty cold in the fall. But I live in Tampa, Florida, and baby, this is it till January. We not cold. We're not going to be cold. And I mean, it might get a little cooler before January, but normally we're not real cold at all. We do get cold during the winter months, and I mean, we can get all the way down to 40. But right now, fall, it's not gonna happen. Okay, so we definitely still rocking tank tops. We're definitely still rocking, skirts and stuff like that. We're definitely still rocking open-toe shoes. So yeah, why not step into the office or wherever you are going and look well put together. I think this outfit is really, really cute. If it does get cool, you can always put like a jacket on with it. Now, I would have rather tried this on with the brown tank, but all I could fit was the black one. But this skirt with a patchwork bag from Coach would be dope. Or, this Time and True bag from Walmart is cool also. I really like this outfit. The skirt stretches just a tad bit, not much, but it is still a good fit. It's a size XXL, I believe, is what I'm trying on. And the top is also a double XL as well. I don't have on any shapewear or anything like that, but I really don't think you need it with this type of skirt because it's just your basic pencil skirt. It's a pretty thick suede fabric that I think is pulling things together well enough, right? The shirt, though, is ruched, which also helps you out with hiding things. This will be cute with the jacket also. Now this one I have on a duster, right, with this brown suede skirt. I just wanted to see how the duster looked buttoned all the way up. I do think that it's cute. Maybe a little bit too much brown, but this is a cute little mini. When it gets colder, I can see wearing some tall boots with it, black boots, burgundy boots, or whatever. Of course, not with this bluebell color. You know, I had to rock my bluebell Coach bag with this. And the browns are off just a tad bit, but I still think it's a really cute monochromatic type outfit. And of course, if you like to pop a color with it, I would choose probably burgundy. Like I said, I'm so tired of black, so I wouldn't choose black. But this blue color came in handy because it matches my bag. And it happened to be right next to the skirt, so it was obvious, like, okay, they want us to match the blue with the brown. I think it looks really, really cute. Another, you know, it's giving summer, but we going into fall with the brown, right? Summer is the ocean color blue, or ocean blue, the baby blue, or the bluebell. And then the fall is bringing it all over to the next season with the brown colors. I think that is super dope. Shoes, not so much. I wouldn't necessarily wear these shoes with this outfit, but I just want to try on shoes with all my outfits that I tried on. But I will probably wear boots with this. Maybe brown or black. If I was to wear it with the actual without the blue top, I probably would wear like some patchwork boots that are definitely giving fall. But yes, I do like this outfit. I think it is very cute. The skirt, you can wear the skirt with other things too. You don't always have to dress it up. You can wear a graphic tee with it, some Chucks or some tennis shoes or something like that. Yes, I say tennis shoes, y'all. I'm from the Midwest. I do not say sneakers like they do over here on the east side. But yeah, I think it would be cute. And then you can also lose the duster completely and just wear the blue shirt. But it's about that time where we're going to start layering, right? Like I said, in Florida, you're not always going to have a coat or a jacket or anything like that. But once it does start getting a little nippy outside, we'll just layer up our clothes. That's all. Yeah, we're not walking around here with bikinis all day, y'all. I literally thought it was like that before I moved here. But no, this is a cute outfit. Yeah, I mean, you could do so much with that skirt, I feel like. So much. You could dress it up. You could dress it down. I just feel like there is so many options with it. The only reason why I chose the blue, because it was sitting right next to it. Plus, it was in my size. But burgundy, I think burgundy with this tone of brown would be perfect also. And then Coach has a patchwork brown bag that has black. It doesn't have burgundy in it, but it has different tones of brown and black in it. I think that would be dope with this set if you had a burgundy shirt on underneath, or not, or you could just do the brown duster or cardigan, whatever this is a cardigan. And the crazy thing about the cardigan is you can button it all the way up and get complete coverage, which I thought was pretty cool. But yeah, this is a cute outfit. Is it giving, what's the girl from Scooby-Doo? Is it Daphne? I don't remember whether her name was Daphne or the one with the blonde hair. I think this is how she dresses. She just always wears a headband. But this is a cute outfit to me, guys. I like it. Not as much as I like this, y'all. So I did grab the bell sleeve shirt, right? But I just didn't grab it in that bright blue color because that was definitely giving spring summer. This olive green, perfect. This whole ensemble together, perfect. And again, it's not real cold in Florida, or it does not get real cold in Florida in the fall. So open toe shoes, perfect. Y'all, I love this. I love the jeans. I love how they're cut. I love that they don't go all the way down. I mean, they are at the ankle, but they've given like a high water effect. I think that is so cute, especially with this shirt with the bubble sleeves. I think the proportions of the outfit on me, I just love it. You know what I mean? I think it is super dope. I want to try it on with this brown kind of makeshift Bottega bag. It's what it's giving to me. It's giving Bottega vibes whenever they have that waffle weave-in basket type of fabric on it, and then that symbol is definitely giving Bottega. I just wanted to try this on. I thought that was super, super cute. Like I said, everything that I see, I will definitely tag in the shop for you. So just go ahead and hit the shopping bag on the screen, or you might have to hit the description. It might be there, or it might just be underneath this video to shop these looks, y'all, because these looks be cheap. They really, really be cheap. I'm not into spending a whole lot of money on brands that aren't like a major designer or anything. Not to say I just be buying up designer, but I have always believed spending under $25 on jeans that are not Levi's. Does that sound crazy? Like, I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on Walmart jeans, Target jeans, JCPenney and Macy's. Yeah, no, not on your brands. I want to spend under $20, under $25. This is probably the max that I would ever go, and I really don't do that much. The last time I bought a pair of jeans from Walmart, they were $7. They had hearts all over them. I thought they were cute, but eventually, I mean, they're going to go out of style. The cut of them is not going to always be right. I just don't want to spend. If it's Levi's, okay, I might spend $40, you know, but we're not spending a whole lot of money on, you know, department or on any type of clothes. And I love that about Walmart. They give you that option. They give you so many different options, so many different brands that are Walmart brands that are actually different price ranges. The highest price range you're going to get is Scoop. And Scoop is going to give you a real good quality for your money. You know what I mean? I just bought a tank top for like $8. But the tank top is mock neck and it's beautiful. But yeah, I just love how they give you all these options. Now, I wouldn't necessarily wear these with heels, right? But these pants, I love how they are laying. I mean, they're a little bit tight at the top, but I wouldn't want them to be extra loose because I think it would be just too loose. But these drawstrings at the bottom, I mean, you can wear them with heels. I think it is really, really cute. I like this whole outfit. I was actually shocked when I tried it on. I just really wanted to try on these pants and I just couldn't find a shirt to wear with it. Now, of course, what I probably would wear with it is like a graphic tee and some tennis shoes or something like that. I think that would be super cute. But I mean, you can always dress this up and wear a nice top. Scoop has a nice top that was like a laced peplum top. They have sold out of that so fast. I couldn't even get it to even try it on. And they don't have it in the store. But, you know, time and truth, they're going to have some alternatives that are also dainty enough for you to wear and dress up an outfit. But y'all, I love how I look in this. Like, I just love how the squats is really working. It's starting to shape me up very well. I love that. But yeah, I think this is so, so, so cute. Even with the heels, I think it's really cute. And it's all time and true. The pants are cargo. They're not real stiff. You see they're loosely moving around. So they're like a thinner material, but still cargo. I think that's cute. I love how they kind of mix, I want to say hard vibes with soft, right? Because cargo pants is giving hard vibes, but the way they're moving is definitely giving soft girl era. You know, I could even see them having a jacket that matches this would be perfect. But yeah, probably just a jean jacket or something like that with it. Even some of their sweaters, when they're probably gonna start coming out with sweaters here soon. But yeah, I love this outfit. I think it's really, really cute. Guys, it's a XXL on the pants and a XXL on the top. Fitting still a little bit tighter in the waist, but it worked out. Yeah, it definitely worked out. Like I said, their clothing sizes run differently per brand, but it's not too far off. If you wear a XXL, you're going to be able to fit it in every brand in the store. Now, I'm talking about the brands in the store. Now, I don't know nothing about these off-brand retailers that the packages take weeks for them to come, so you know where they're coming from. The sizing be off. I'm sorry, they just do. But hey, these outfits very constructed very well, and I love it. And I love making this video for you guys. Please like the video for me and subscribe to my channel, because like I said, I got plenty of deals coming from Walmart and the prices go down. But have a good day. Bye-bye.